Hello and welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide to all things real estate and home improvement. We are here to help you transform your spaces and make the best property decisions. From DIY projects to property investment advice, we offer a wide range of content to suit every homeowner's needs. So whether you're looking to spruce up your living room or buy your first house, we've got you covered. Today, we dive into a new topic, starting your own YouTube channel. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. You may ask, why start a YouTube channel? Well, it's one of the most popular platforms for sharing and discovering content. But the benefits go beyond mere popularity. Imagine reaching out to a worldwide audience from the comfort of your home, sharing your passion, your expertise, or simply your unique perspective on life. And as your channel grows, so does the potential for monetization. YouTube is not just a hobby, it's a bona fide career path for many content creators. So whether you're a budding filmmaker, an aspiring influencer, or just someone with a story to tell, there's room for you on YouTube. It's a stage where you can shine, a platform to express yourself, and a community where you can connect with like-minded individuals. Now that you know why it's a great idea, let's delve into how to get started. Step 1 in your YouTube journey is planning your content. It's like a roadmap guiding you towards your destination. Without it, you're merely wandering, and wanderers rarely find success. So let's start by understanding what content is. It's the core of your channel, the value you provide to your viewers. It's everything from the subjects you cover, the style of your videos, to the unique value you provide. Now, let's talk about your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? Knowing your audience is crucial because it helps shape your content. It's like throwing an arrow in the dark. If you don't know where the target is, you'll most likely miss. Next, decide what kind of videos you want to make. Do you want to educate, entertain, or inspire? You see, YouTube is a vast ocean, and each type of video is a different species of fish. Some are more popular than others, and some are easier to catch. Choose wisely. Finally, remember that consistency is key. Regularly uploading videos helps keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. It's a journey, not a sprint, so pace yourself. And there you have it. Those are the basic elements to consider when planning your content. It may seem daunting at first, but remember, every successful YouTuber started somewhere. Remember, planning is key to ensuring your channel's success. The next step is creating your YouTube channel. Now this is where the magic begins. Think of your channel as your personal stage, your platform to express yourself and share your creativity with the world. To start, you'll need to decide on a channel name. It should be unique, memorable, and reflective of the content you intend to produce. HouseLux Estate, for example, immediately suggests content related to housing and luxury living. Once you've chosen a name, it's time to create a Google account. If you already have one, you can simply use it. Otherwise, head over to Google's homepage and click on Create Account. Follow the instructions, and remember, your email address will be the primary way YouTube communicates with you, so choose one you frequently check. After setting up your Google account, you're ready to establish your YouTube channel. Navigate to YouTube, click on your profile icon in the top right, and then click on Create a Channel. You'll be guided through several steps to set up your channel, including adding a channel description and a channel icon. Your channel description is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is about. Make it enticing. Your channel icon, typically a logo or a headshot, is the face of your channel. Make sure it's high quality and representative of your brand. Now, with your channel set up, you're ready to start creating videos. The world is your oyster and YouTube is your stage. So go ahead and let your creativity flow. Creating and uploading videos is the next crucial step. You have your channel and a well-laid plan. Now it's time to bring your ideas to life. Creating a video might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, you'll find your rhythm. First off, let's start with filming. You don't necessarily need high-end equipment. A smartphone with a good camera will do just fine for beginners. Ensure your lighting is adequate and your audio is clear. Remember, your content is the star of the show, so focus on delivering your message effectively. Once your footage is ready, it's time to edit. There are several free editing software options available for both Windows and Mac users. Some of the popular ones include iMovie, Lightworks, and Shotcut. Take time to learn the basics like cutting, transitioning, and adding text. As you gain more experience, you can explore other advanced features like color grading and special effects. Now, on to the uploading part. Once you're satisfied with your video, head over to YouTube. click on the Create button at the top right corner and select Upload Video. You'll be directed to a page where you can select your video file. While your video is uploading, you can fill in the details. Give your video a catchy title, an informative description, and don't forget to add relevant tags. These will help your video be discoverable in YouTube's search engine. Once your video is uploaded, you have the option to add end screens and cards. These are interactive elements that can direct viewers to other videos, playlists, or channels. They're a great way to keep viewers engaged with your content. Finally, select your video's privacy settings. If you're ready for the world to see your masterpiece, set it to Public. If you want to share it privately, select Unlisted or Private. Then hit Publish. And voila, you've uploaded your first video. This process will become second nature with practice. Remember, consistency is key in the world of YouTube. So keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun while you're at it. Now that you've uploaded your first video, it's time to promote your channel. Promoting your channel is like turning up the volume on your voice. You could be saying the most interesting things, but if no one's around to hear it, does it really matter? That's where promotion comes in. One of the most straightforward and effective ways to promote your channel is through social media. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even LinkedIn can be your allies. Share your videos, create engaging posts about them, and encourage your friends and followers to check them out. Remember, every share, like, and comment increases your reach. Collaborating with other YouTubers can also be a game changer. Find channels that align with your content and propose a collaboration. This could be anything from a shout-out to a full-blown video project. By doing this, you're exposing your channel to an entirely new audience who might not have found you otherwise. Now let's talk about optimizing your videos for search. This is a technique that many beginners overlook, but it's crucial for growth. Keywords are your best friends here. Think about what your potential viewer might be typing into the search bar. Use those phrases in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This increases the chances of your videos showing up in search results, leading more viewers to your channel. And here's a bonus tip. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. This not only promotes your channel, but also builds a loyal audience who will be more likely to share your content. Promotion is a never-ending process, but with persistence, you'll see your subscriber count grow. Always remember, success on YouTube isn't overnight. It's a journey. And every step you take in promoting your channel brings you closer to your goal. So, keep sharing, keep collaborating, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep creating. That's a basic rundown on how to start a YouTube channel. We've covered the reasons why you might want to start one: to share your passion, to connect with an audience, or maybe even to create a business. We've discussed the importance of planning your content, of knowing what you want to share with the world, and how you want to share it. We've explored the process of creating your channel, choosing a name, and setting up your profile. We've delved into the creation and uploading of videos, the heart of your channel, where your creativity shines. We've talked about promoting your channel using social media, collaborations, and SEO to get your content out there. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and every YouTube channel starts with a single subscriber. It's okay if growth is slow at first. It's okay to learn as you go along. Remember, even the most famous YouTubers started from zero. So, take a deep breath and dive in. Start creating, start sharing, start connecting. The world is waiting to hear your voice, to see your vision. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more useful content. We're here to help you on your journey. So, until next time, happy YouTubing.